NLT 018, estimating charcoal piles volume using an unmanned aerial vehicle. A common challenge for charcoal production companies is to implement inventory control in the context of manufacturing resources planning. Large charcoal production is conducted in rectangular ovens with a capacity of around 320 cubic meters of wood. However, the carbonization process is not statistically controlled, and the production is accounted in the manufacturing resource planning, considering an average value per cycle. During the charcoal shipment, the trucks are weighted and the volume is gravimetrically computed. The consequence of the difference between the precision of the shipment discount and the accreditation of the production in the manufacturing resource planning is a permanent divergence between real and manufacturing resource planning charcoal stock. As a consequence, the analyst had greater difficulties to delineate the piles and less precision in the solid creation. The values found by the high accuracy processing approximate more to the GNSS RTK values. For piles monitoring using unmanned aerial vehicles, we recommend processing considering high accuracy parameterization.